your premier partner in turnkey, hot rolling mill solutions. Embark on a seamless journey to excellence with Bahceli Makina, a leading name in the realm of hot rolling mill solutions. At the forefront of innovation, we specialize in delivering turnkey hot rolling mill projects that redefine industry standards. With an unwavering commitment to quality, precision, and reliability, Bahceli Makina stands as your trusted partner for all your hot rolling mill needs. Unmatched expertise, backed by years of industry expertise, more than 50 years. Bahceli Makina takes pride in its ability to design, manufacture, and deliver state-of-the-art hot rolling mill plants. Our turnkey solutions encompass the entire project lifecycle, ensuring a smooth and efficient transition from concept to reality. We understand the intricacies of the hot rolling process, and our team of seasoned professionals is dedicated to providing tailored solutions that meet and exceed your expectations. Precision engineering. Our commitment to excellence extends to the production of high-quality spare parts for hot rolling mills. Bahceli Makina spare parts are crafted with precision and durability in mind, ensuring the longevity and optimal performance of your equipment. We adhere to rigorous quality control standards, guaranteeing that every component meets the demanding requirements of the hot rolling industry. Global reach. Bahceli Makina takes pride in its global footprint, catering to clients across the Middle East, Russia, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Azerbaijan, Georgia, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, and Africa, such as Morocco, Algeria, Libya, Egypt, Tunisia, Cameroon, Senegal. Our international presence is a testament to the trust and confidence that clients place in our products and services. No matter where you are located, Bahceli Makina is your reliable partner for top-notch hot rolling mill solutions. Comprehensive services. Beyond manufacturing, Bahceli Makina offers comprehensive engineering services for rolling mills. Our team of experts is ready to collaborate with you, providing consultancy, design, and optimization services to enhance the efficiency and productivity of your rolling mill operations. Hot rolling mill machines, manufactured by us, roll stands, gearbox, sheet metal cutting machine, hydraulic shearing guillotine, couplings, straightening machines, billet shears, double gearbox, cardan shaft, guides, billet pusher, loop counter, roller table, cold shear, cooling platform, saw chain transfer group, thermex, flying shears, flywheel, furnace billet drop, equipments of hot rolling mills and spare parts of rolling mill machinery. We can also upgrade your rolling mill. Choose Bahceli Makina for a transformative experience in the world of hot rolling mills. We don't just meet expectations, we exceed them, delivering excellence with every project, spare part, and service. Join hands with Bahceli Makina and let's roll towards a future of success and innovation in the hot rolling industry.